So this is what we're fitting today. This is the Martech Air Suspension. So let's get it fitted. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VW Crafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on your journey. Right, so it looks straightforward enough. The only thing was there was no spring washers when I opened the packet, but I had some there, so that's that job done. Right, brackets, we'll put these on first. Maybe a bit Loctite. This one. Now we'll just do this first and then we'll get started underneath. That's that done. So these are just M8 bolts, 16mm length. And just a 13mm socket to screw them down. I'll just do them hand tight just now. That's it. This gauge, I'll not be using that just now. What I'll be doing when I do fit them, because I've not done the setup inside yet, I'll just be cable tying the cables up, the air cables up, and I'll just be putting the pressure into the airbags and then just leaving it until I've got the floor down, and then I could feed them up inside the van. Right, first job, get this much stuff off. I'll try and pull it first. Oh yeah. That's not too bad, but not as easy as what people said it was. Put these up now. So just go in and slide along. Oops. Put the back one in. Slide that there. That's it. Right, let's get this one on. So I've had to take this cable off here. as I'll slide at the back of that and on there. Now I just need to line it up. Right, let's try the bolt. I think that's it. That's that one on. Right, next job, we've got to get the airbag in here. So we'll take this one off here. This is a number 14 spine socket. So 2 bolts either side. And we'll drop this down. That just pulls away for the side. Oh, I stopped recording there, but that's it on there. And just a case of putting the nuts back in. So That's that tighten. Right, so next bit. Because I'm just keeping it simple now, I've just got 2 bits like this. They'll go into either bit of this, and then one long bit, the T-junction bit here. Some boiling water. What we'll do is we'll take this off here. Put that on there. Just 30 seconds in the boiling water and we'll slide this over. That's it. Tighten it up. Same with this end. Let's put this end on first. Just keep it simple underneath the now until, what I said before, I've got like the flooring and that down. And I know where it's got to be coming through the van. That's that done. And then the last one. And that'll be that done. That's that done. That's just to protect it. So I'll show you the final stage on this side, because the other side I went and pulled the nipple off and it expanded up, so I'm going to show you right now what happens. So unscrew where the last air hose goes on, that releases the air. So I'll just get this on this nipple here. And that's that one. Don't need me. Right, anyway. That's it in. Right, just to tighten it up. So that's it. All connected up now. So they recommend, my van's still empty apart from like the wheel carrier and roof rack and that, but they recommend empty van, 20 psi. So we'll connect it and have a wee look. That's 20. So I'll just turn the camera around. That's this side. And that's that side. Perfect. So I'm just going to cable tie this up now, what I said before. Once the flare and that's down, I'll be able to decide where I'm bringing it through. I will be going for a pump system where I'll have the switch inside the vehicle, so I could adjust it to depend on what weight I'm carrying. But just now I'll leave it like that, cable tie it up, and that's it. So that's the air suspension done. Next it's the rear shocks, then the front struts. So if you've liked the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.